The Indian Express has learned a local man believed to have been hiding atop a tree for more than an hour after the first gunshots rang out at Pahalgam is being questioned by police for crucial leads on the terrorists. A source close to the investigation said, quote unquote, he has also been taken back to Bison Valley by the National Investigation Agency to recreate the scene. Police are also collecting evidence from his mobile phone, given that he viewed the entire episode from a distance. Sources also told the Indian Express that on the day of the attack, at least 400 people were present inside the vast Bison meadow. While the number of tickets sold at the park's ticket counter that day is still being ascertained, an earlier estimate has placed the figure during the attack at 400, with ticket sales close to 1,000. A source said, quote unquote, if not for the intervention of locals, the toll could have been higher. Eyewitnesses have told investigating agencies that at least 3 people entered the area by crossing over a chain link fence surrounding the park and began walking towards the center, shooting precisely. This, according to the source, left the park's gate open, and the local poniwalas who remained outside helped tourists to safety. It is learned that the militants then ran towards the forest bordering the meadow and crossed over the fence again. Eyewitnesses, including Nazakat Ahmed Shah, who helped rescue some of the tourists at Baisaran on April 22nd, told the Indian Express that they have not seen security presence at the meadow in recent times. He said, quote unquote, I've been going to the park for years and not seen anyone in uniform there. This was echoed by other locals in Pahalgam, who said that while the more popular tourist spots of Pahalgam, Betab Valley, Aru, and Chandwari do have a visibly security presence, that was not the case with Baisaran. Off track and at least 6 kilometers from the Pahalgam market, Baisaran is accessible by foot or on ponies. It is also en route to an 11-kilometer trek to Lake Tulian, a remote alpine lake in the upper reaches of Pahalgam, popular with foreign tourists. The National Investigation Agency (NIA) has taken over the investigation of the Pahalgam attack from the J&K police upon directions of the Union Home Ministry. From questioning eyewitnesses to combing entry-exit points, the NIA teams, which have been camping at the terror attack site since Wednesday, have intensified the search for evidence. Meanwhile, Pakistani military troops opened unprovoked fire along the line of control for the fifth straight night. Indian Army soldiers responded effectively with appropriate small arms fire. That's all for today. Stay tuned to the Indian Express for more such news updates and explainers. Thank you so much for watching.